Okay, the first step in creating a frequency distribution table, we have here the amount of students that attended class each day for the month of March. So the first step would be to find the width. The width is the range between the highest number and the lowest number. So it would be 51 minus 32. And they already told us it's a 5-number class, so we'll divide it by 5. So the answer for this part would be 19 divided by 5 would be 3.2. So now you would round up 4. So 4 would be the width in your data set. Next, you create your columns. The first one being class, second being tally, then frequency, relative frequency, and cumulative frequency. Alright, so the first step for class, knowing that the width is a 4, you would use the first number being 32 as the least, and you would add 4 numbers starting with that number. So 32, 33, 34, 35. The next starting with 36 and counting 4 digits, so 36, 37, 38, 39. And you do that all the way down until you reach the greatest number being 51. The last number can either be 51 or greater. It cannot be less than 51. Now, for this part for tally, you would have to use the numbers between the class as to what's in your data set. So 32 through 35, we have 132, 2, 32, 3 for 34, and that'll be it. So you have 3 numbers you could put in here for tally for the first set. For 36 through 39, you have 136, 236, 337, 437, and 538, 638, 738, 839, 939. So you have 9 numbers here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9, and you would complete that for the following. So we have it completed here. For frequency, it'll be the same numbers in the tally, but you would write it in a number format. So we have a 3, we have a 9, we have an 8, we have a 3, oops, got to the hang of that, and we have a 1. So for the next step for relative frequency, we would actually add up the total, what is in the frequency column. So this is 3, 9, 8, 3, and 1, which equals to 24. And for the next column, for relative frequency, you would actually have to divide the number in the frequency column by the total. And 24 is also the total, which we have here in the data set. That's how much numbers we started off with. So you know that this number that you get for frequency is correct. So for relative frequency, you divide 3 by 24, 9 by 24, 8 by 24, 3 by 24, and 1 by 24. Your answers would be decimals, and it's okay to round to the nearest. For cumulative frequency, you would actually have to use the numbers in the frequency column and add for each digit down. So the first number being a 3, you can just write it over, 3. The second digit, so then you would have to add for 3, you would add the 9. So that second number would be a 12. So 12 plus, which would be a 20. 20 plus the 3, which would be a 23. And 23 plus the 1, which is a 24. So the number here all equals to the total numbers that you started off with. So that's how you can confirm that your answer is correct. Once the number in the frequency column matches the number in the cumulative frequency, and that is the same number of digits that you started off with in your data set.